Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me today on YouTube for the Instagram giveaway that I'm doing, sponsored by Nordic Care. What I'm giving away is this gift set of the Nordic Care Treat Your Feet. It says smooth, beautiful feet in less than a week. So it has a pumice stone thingy and 14 packets of their famous foot care cream. Can you see? There we go. Foot care cream. You'll use one packet in the morning and one packet at night after you've soaked and scrubbed your feet to give you the best result possible. So this is what the prize is. The video today that you're going to be listening for the super secret word is on eyebrows. Eyebrows is huge subject these days, so I thought, well, let's do another one. I am using the e.l.f. palette, or little e.l.f. brow thingy, and my brush and spoolie, dipping in. To properly do a brow, it's actually quite easy. You just need to learn the steps. For the most modern way to do it and measure your brow, you start at the top of your nostril, go up, and measure your brow. This is as far in as the brow will go. It used to be from the bottom up, but see the difference? There's a lot of space here. So we're bringing the brow in a little closer. The next step is from the bottom of the brow over the outside corner. That's where your brow ends. And then one more time from the bottom of the nostril over the pupil, and that will dictate where the high point is. So what we're going to do is connect the dots. The first line on the brow always is on the bottom, going in, connecting the dots from the first dot, the beginning, to the high point. Then we'll go from the high point down to the tail. See how quick and easy that is? All right, now we'll do the top. So since it is very fashionable to have a very feathered, lighter area up here, we're not going to go right from this area in towards the high point. You go in a couple of millimeters like this, draw your line, fill in, because near the beginning I'm going to go vertical instead of horizontal like I'm doing now, and just feather some color in this way. So here we go. I don't have actual hair there, so we're going to make it look like there's a little bit of color and hair. And that was that. So then you take the spoolie and brush it through. How simple was that? Let's do the same thing on the other side. Of course, the trick is to get them even. Sometimes you can make them look like twins, but they're usually sisters. Sometimes they are cousins. Just depends. So, doing the same thing, top of the nostril, up, make my dot here, that's where it begins. Bottom of the nostril, over the outside corner, this is where it ends. And then bottom of the nostril, over the pupil, and this is the high point. So, see my 3 dots? And again, playing connect the dots. The first line is underneath, up to the high point. Now, of course, you can use a pencil, you can use a gel, whatever you like using in doing your brow. I can do it all. Right now, I'm in love with this powder. So, because it's a buildable color, that's what I really like about it. All right, let's go from the high point down to the tail end. And then, again, a little space in, up to the high point. Colored it in. Little more color. Want to even it out just a little. There, I think I got it. And now a little bit of vertical work going like this or like this. There we go. And then the super secret word for the giveaway is Happy Thanksgiving. So just send that back to me and you will be in the running for the gift set. All right, I think we are good. What do you think? You try it. Let me know how you do. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would appreciate that. And leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. All right, until next time, love to you all.